Tirupati bus stand. Buses are going to Karnataka and within AP. Bus is coming from Vijayawada. That is Fortune Kansas Hotel, Mayura Hotel. One way the corona cases are coming from all the directions. Nobody is guessing how it comes, to whom. Unpredictable. Simultaneously, people are prone to this illness and they are recovering well. Only thing they need to have confidence. They need to maintain very healthy diet and they have to inhale vapor, like by putting capsules, Carval plus capsules or something like that. They have to do steam inhalation at least once, 1 to 3 times minimum. That really helps a lot to clear your passage, kill bacteria in the passage, airway passage. Apart from that, you need to take good rest, forget everything until unless you become a normal healthy human being. All your loved ones need to support you and everyone has to support corona patient when they are affected. That itself cures 70 to 80% from corona. Love from the loved ones, kids, mother, sister, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters. So their love is unimaginable, their support is unimaginable. So their support uplifts your spirit and ensure that you want to become healthy as soon as possible. So more than being healthy, nothing in this world is great. No money, nothing. Because unless you exist in this place, you can do something. That could be a win, that could be a lose, but you should be here. Support, all our people are there. So that is the life. Love you all.